Thank you for all your teachings. Thank you for your presence in New York. Actually, you kind of touch on my question.
Tell us your name.
Oh, Adriana. You kind of touch on my question on previous answer to the question from the viewers. For a spiritual seeker, once that person reaches a certain stage where it feels stuck, not moving forward, but rather regressing, is a guru necessary? Thank you.
Right. Yes, a guru is necessary. It's always very good. A guru is a person you can refer to, you can ask questions, who will help you. Somebody who has walked ahead on the path before you. Also somebody who is plugged into a tradition and is the holder of a lot of spiritual wisdom which has come down in that tradition. And in our spiritual path, we can benefit from this accumulated mass of spiritual wisdom. So guru is very helpful. In our tradition, what we do is there are some swamis who are empowered to initiate, give mantra diksha. So they are the gurus. So we typically go to the swami and pray for initiation. They give us the mantra diksha. That's the guru. And of course, we learn from everybody. We continue to learn from everybody. But we're not limited to one person. But that one person is now the guru, the spiritual guru. You may not ever go back to the guru again and ask anything, but you have a guru, a lineage, a practice of your own. That's very helpful. And if you have specific questions, again, that lineage and accumulated spiritual wisdom helps you. It's a very good question.